It ain't poison.
Yes, that's poison.
Getting some free labor today. Got the kids bowed up. This
Say bye-bye to our
is ours. Yeah. Ooh, I almost got hit. Stepson, son-in-law's trailer caught on fire. Yeah, I know it didn't show too good. It wasn't a total loss,
I
but
know in this wall.
we're going to come over here and help him knock some walls down. I don't know. And clean up some of this insulation. Get back with y'all. She can't hold it in, dude. All right, we're
She's gonna have some iron.
We got a little bit done. See all that dust? Got to get us some mask. But yeah, that was a goal this wall here. We got a little bit over there. But yeah, we're gonna go let her poop, haul this trash off we done made. But get back with y'all the next day we come back. What'd you say, Bubba?
What?
What'd you tell them?
Subscribe.
Till the next time.